making today, Poppy?
Crepes.
Crepes? Mmm. Nice. So what do we need?
Melted butter, flour, salt, 2 eggs, some milk, and yeah.
And a blender.
Oh yeah, and blender.
So you just put in your milk. You want to pour stuff in and I'll hold this? That's 1.25 cups of whole milk, or you can use whatever milk you have. And then 2 eggs. Don't explode your egg like I did earlier on the countertop. Plop. Let's take a break and wash our hands.
Yeah.
We put the eggs in. We need 1 cup of flour.
A cup, you say?
Yeah. That's what I say.
This good?
Sure. Whoop. So you need 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Here, let's get all that butter goodness out of there. And we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Teaspoon of salt.
No, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. If you put a teaspoon of salt in there, it's going to taste really salty.
Yeah.
If you're making sweet crepes, you can put a tablespoon of sugar, or if you want to make savory crepes or just have crepes that you can make each way you want, then don't add any sugar. Okay, so let's blend away.
Blendy, tendy, endy bay.
You gonna turn it on?
Mm-hmm.
Don't turn it on higher, it'll go
1,
crazy.
2, 3.
Start on low, and then turn it up to about medium. And let it all blend away. Is that the blending? Is that the blending dance? We're blending. We're blending.
You're blending away. Don't mind her.
And done. Okay, so we blend it for about a minute, and now we're gonna put it in the fridge for an hour at least, or you can make it a day in advance and bring it out tomorrow, and then we'll cook some crepes. Okay?
Yeah.
See you later.
See you later. Ooh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, ready, go. Oh yeah, we're making crepes. Oh, right.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Okay, so it's been about a couple hours,
Yeah.
and our batter was resting in the refrigerator, and now we're going to cook it. So you need an 8-inch, either a crepe pan or a nonstick pan. Nonstick is good too. And then heat it to medium high, and then we want to put a little butter on the pan. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, and then you're going to get 1/4 cup, and you're going to put 1/4 cup of batter on there.
Very good.
Yep, go ahead and just put it in the middle really quick, and then you just kind of tilt the pan. The first one is always the hardest.
Why?
Because you got to see how hot your pan is, and you got to kind of get used to doing it. So you cook it for about 1 minute until it starts to get a little golden brown. So this is where you get an adult to help you.
Ooh, it looks already good. Can I get the raspberry jam yet?
We have to cook all of them, Goofy.
What? That's not fair.
So every time you make one, you want to grease it.
Ooh, it's really hot.
So, and then you add 1/4 cup of batter. There you go. And you just tilt it. It's good to have a little spatula. You can make it a little thinner.
Yeah. These crepes are supposed to be thin.
Yeah, they are. Oh, Poppy, do you know any good jokes?
Did you hear about the haunted French pancake?
No.
It gave me the crepes.
Oh my God, that's hilarious. I like that one.
Yeah, me too.
So you want to butter the pan. You want to just keep going with your buttering and...
Oh my God!
Wowee! That's hot. I think it's maybe too hot. Hold on.
That's funny.
Okay, let me just butter it. Okay, so you just keep buttering and keep pouring that batter in. That's perfect. You want to get it right in the middle, and then you want to just kind of ease it out into a round as best you can. Like that. That looks great. Okay, so when it gets nice and golden brown, then you just want to flip it over. Ooh, that's a good crepe, isn't
No,
it?
that is just perfect.
That is perfect.
I
What are we
want-
going to put
I
in this
think-
crepe?
Strawberry jam.
Strawberry jam. Or raspberry jam. I don't think we have strawberry jam.
No, raspberry.
Raspberry jam would be good too.
Did you know that once, when I was in like preschool or kindergarten, we got crepes for snack?
Really?
I forget
Wow.
what they were filled with.
You can
But
fill
they
them
were
with.
really
You could
yummy.
have them for dinner. You could fill them with like sautéed mushrooms or
Just mushrooms if you want.
If you like
mushrooms.
mushrooms.
And spinach and cheese, maybe?
ooh, some cheese.
With some spinach.
Okay, so when it's a little golden brown on the bottom, we just slap it on the plate and then we keep going until all the batter's gone.
Ready?
Yep. Good job, honey. All right, that looks done.
Yep.
I'm gonna turn that. That's turned off now. I will be right back, okay?
Okay. Okay, time for feasting.
Hey, Poppy, I'll be right back, but just whatever you do, don't eat those crepes.
I won't! Shush to my mom about this. Don't tell my mom I did this.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
We hope you like our crepe making video.
And if you like this video, please like and subscribe.
Yep. All right, thank you. Bye.
And enjoy them.
I'm gonna have one now.
Bake-a-rama, California!
Whoop. Okay,
And a cloud of dust
and then we need.
exploded out of it. I want to do the drama!